Hi, this is Glenn Andrade from Digital Synergy, and today I'm going to be doing a Groovepages review. Now, you may have also heard the term Groovefunnels. So what's the difference, you may be thinking? Well, in a moment, I'm going to clear things up for you and show you why this may be the best funnel and web builder on the market, bar none. Okay, so you may have noticed that there are dozens of new funnel building softwares that have popped up all over the internet, ever since Clickfunnels set the precedent for funnel builders. Now, you should know I've tried many funnel builders, including Clickfunnels, over the years, but to be honest, I just keep canceling them, and I'm looking for that one magic software that's out there that I've yet to come across until now, because they're either way too costly or they don't quite do everything that I need, and I have to wind up getting other third-party softwares to compensate for other things, and it's just not cutting it. So another problem with most of these other funnel builders are that they're building their platforms, or they built their platforms on old programming languages that are over 10 years old. That's like over 100 years in the online world. And on top of that, many claim that you can get rid of all the other software, or fire your programmers or your designers and all this. But when it really comes down to it, that's really not the case. It's really not that simple. It is technical. But when it comes to Groovepages, they are truly revolutionizing the funnel building landscape. And they have really made the process so much easier and so much quicker. So what is Groovepages? Simply put, Groovepages is a website builder and a funnel builder. Groovepages is actually a small part of a larger set of suite called Groovefunnels, which is an all-in-one platform. Our Groovefunnels complete suite is a website and funnel builder. It's a sales and affiliate platform with a marketplace. It's an email marketing provider, a video platform like Wistia, a membership site creator, a web platform, and so much more. Think of it like ClickFunnels, but with a way better technology, more affordable, and a ton more features. Now, Groovefunnels is actually created by one of the pioneers of internet marketing. He was actually the second person in history to do a $1 million launch. He's also one of the creators of Kartra and Webinar Jam, which are two of the most popular softwares on the market. So he definitely knows his stuff, and he knows how to create good products. So what exactly do you get with Groovefunnels? Well, first it includes Groovepages. And Groovepages, as I mentioned earlier, is a funnel builder, but it's also a website builder. And what's exciting about this is that you not only can create funnels for your products and services, but you can also create a full-on branded website. Now, this is something that you can't do with any other funnel builder on the market, period. And the technology is so cutting edge that it's actually poised to replace WordPress. And one reason that this is the case is because it's so drop dead simple to build pages, and because it's built on a platform that uses an open source. So what that means is any developer can create their own apps and the equivalent of plugins, or extensions and things like that, which is basically a whole other aspect to this. And that's a whole other topic for another video, which I'll be creating soon. But for now, I just want to give you a high-level view of everything that Groovefunnels has to offer. The other thing you get is GrooveSell. So what is GrooveSell? Well, if you have a digital product, or you've ever thought about creating a digital product, then this is for you. It also has an affiliate platform. So basically, it's your checkout process where you can accept payments for your courses, tutorials, or any digital product, and you can create one-time payments, free trials, recurring payments, etc. On this, you can think Samcart, but again, better and more affordable. And right now, you can actually get both GrooveSell and Groovepages absolutely free, no strings attached. Check below for the link and jump on this before they actually take it away. Now, I will mention that, and this is free for life. Now, I will mention that the version of Groovepages is actually a light version. It does have all the functionalities, but it does limit the number of funnels that you can have. But that's just with the light version. Obviously, you can upgrade later on, but if you're just getting started, it gives you 3 funnels. That's more than enough to get started. So take advantage of this before they take it away. I'm not sure how long this is going to be available, and you should grab it while it's still available and free. Now, when you sign up, you're also going to get the option to actually grab this, actually grab a lifetime access to Groovepages for just $4.97. Now this is an incredible deal that I would jump on if you can, because it's going to save you a ton of money in the long run. The lifetime access of Groovepages will get you unlimited funnels, unlimited domains, unlimited websites, unlimited hosting, and on top of that, I'm going to give you free training that Paul Murphy, one of my mentors, has allowed to give to you for free. And what this course shows you, it's a free training, and it's going to show you how he ranks, and I have been using this system as well and getting amazing results. In fact, if you're watching this video, I've used this to rank this on the top of Google and YouTube. And it's going to show you how you can do the same, how you can rank in YouTube and Google in 24 hours. So go ahead and click on the link below to grab access to this. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like and leave a comment. And stay tuned for upcoming videos on my channel where I'm going to delve deeper into some of the other Groove apps that are part of the suite, such as Groove Member, which is basically creating membership sites, Groove Video, which is like Wistia, Groove Mail, which is an email marketing autoresponder and an email marketing platform, and Groove Webinar, which is similar to Webinar Jam. It's only going to be better. Remember, click the link below to take advantage of the launch, because after this launches officially, and they're not even sure when that's going to happen. They might say a month or two from now, but they're not sure when the official launch is going to happen. But when it does, you're going to have to pay up to $2.99 or more per month. So go ahead, take advantage of this, and I'll see you next time.